Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can sync up the subwoofer to your Samsung soundbar here. So this was actually given to me as faulty because this lost its sync. And when I looked at it, it just needs to be synced up again. Why it went out of sync, I'm not sure. But since it's been synced up again, it's been working fine. So right now, this is synced up with here because you can see we have a solid blue light. But I'm going to show you how to do the syncing process, and then hopefully it will work on your one because it is actually a little bit complicated. We will need the remote control, and both subwoofer and soundbar will need to be plugged in. But you need to have them turned off. They need to be in standby. So we're going to turn them off here with the remote control. And then when this is in standby, you can see the little standby lights here. We need to get a pen or a small little object. There's a button at the back. We need to hold it for 5 seconds until this link light starts flashing blue. So I'm going to show you where the hole is, and then we're going to concentrate on the light at the front, and I'll just tell you that I'm pushing in the hole at the back. So the little hole with the little button inside is located just here by the power cord. So there's a little hole just in here, and when you click it, when you put something in there, you can hear it click, like so. But you actually have to hold it down for 5 seconds. So let's bring it back round to the front now, and you're going to be looking at this light here, and I'm going to get the pen and I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to hold it down for 5 seconds. There. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. You can see it's now flashing, so we can let go of that. That is now in pairing mode. We now need to go to this here, and while it's off, you can see this is off. We're going to get the remote control. We're going to hold down the mute button for 5 seconds. So the mute button here for 5 seconds, and it will come up with ID set. So holding it down now, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and you can see it's come up with ID set. You can then let go of that. Now all we have to do is turn it on, and you will see it will sync up. So I'm going to turn it on now with the power button. It says hello. Give it a good few seconds and you will see that the link light will go to solid blue. There we go. It's now gone to solid blue. So that has now paired up with that. And now hopefully from now on, every time you turn it off and back on again, it will sync up automatically. So you can see we're back on standby now. This is turned off. Go to turn it on again and you will see straight away we've got the solid blue light here. Even if you unplug it all and plug it back in, it should remember that it's synced up. So if you've had a problem where your subwoofer stops working, just see if it's lost its sync, because hopefully you'll be able to sync it up as you've seen in the video. Thanks for watching.